Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very interesting video and we are going to discuss about the rank function. So in Excel we have three different functions for rank. The first function is the rank. Second is rank AVG, that is rank average. The third is rank EQ. So let's start with the first function, that is rank. So the first thing to point out about the rank function is that the rank function was used in the older version of Excel. Currently, we can use the rank function, but it is not recommended because in days to come, Excel might not allow you to use the rank function. So it is better we stop using the rank function, but since it is there, so let's understand what does rank do. So we have a set of numbers in column A which are all in ascending order. So let's see what happens in column B. The column B says that we are ranking in descending order. So what does ranking in descending order means? So the ranking in descending order means that the highest value in my column A, that is my range of numbers, will be given the first rank. So what does rank generally mean? Rank means to give a position. So the highest number in my range will be given the first position. That is what rank do. So let's start with rank in descending order. So I write the formula is equals to rank. Then I select, it asks me more the number. So my number is cell A2, comma. Then it asks for a reference. Reference means that the range of values in which you want to rank your number. So my range is this. And I can just close this because for descending order it is not necessary for you to enter a number. You you can just close the brackets and hit enter. So it says 6. Okay, now just let me use dollars for my range so that my range doesn't sell when I drag the formula. Now I drag my formula. Oh, okay. Now you see the highest value in my this range, that was 91, was given the first position. That is what rank descending do. Now let's go to rank ascending. So as you can understand, it will do the opposite. That is, the smallest value in my range of numbers will be given the first position. So I say equal to rank, my cell number, my range. I'll use dollars so that my range doesn't change, comma. Now I have to give the order number. For descending, we can skip the order number or we can use 0. But for ascending, we have to use the order number, that is 1. I say 1, close brackets, hit enter. It says 1. That means the smallest number in my range will be given the first position. I drag my formula and now you see in ascending order, the largest number in my range is given the highest position. Now, one more thing to consider is duplicates. I had one duplicate, 9090. So what it does is, it says, it takes the number, it ranks the number, and it says 2. And for the next one also again it says 2. So whatever the number comes, it just duplicates the number and it skips the 3. You understand? It says 91 is first position, 90, then it came to 90 second position, then it again saw a 90, then it says, oh, 90 is there previously also, so it's again 2 because the number is same, so the position is same. So it says second position, but now it doesn't include a third position because there are two numbers, three numbers are gone, so it doesn't include 3 and it directly goes to 4 because 89 is my fourth number. So it says 4. It won't say 3 because if it says 3, that means my 89th number is a third number. but actually it is a fourth number. So it won't say 3, it would directly say 4. So it says 1, then twice 2 because the number are duplicates, 3 is skipped, and then it comes to 4. Similarly, for ascending order, it says 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now it came to 90 again. It says 90 was already there or before, so the ranking will be same. It gives 4 again. Now it comes to 91. It says this is the sixth number because 90 came twice, it skipped 5, and it directly came to 6 then. It won't say 91 is the fifth number because actually 91 is the sixth number. So it says it's the sixth number, it is not the fifth number. So it skips 5. Okay, now we are good with rank function. Now let's go to the rank average function, which is known as rank AVG. Now, what is the need of rank AVG? The need of rank AVG is that in some scenarios, what we want is we don't want the duplicates to have 2 and 2, like we had 2 and 2 here. No, we want a decimal number. So we want to say that this position was as second number, the 90 came again, which was as the third number, and I want the average of these numbers. So 2 plus 3 divided by 2 will give me 2.5. So it says give me the average of those positions. So that will be 2.5. That from average comes the name rank average. Let's do it again. So first we are doing it in descending order, and as discussed in descending order we don't need to enter the order number. I say rank AVG, my number, my range. I use dollars for my range so that my range doesn't change. Comma. I actually don't need comma, but for example, I'm just saying if you want to write, you can write 0 because it is descending order. So either you can directly just omit it or you can write this 0 for descending order. I close my braces, hit enter. It says it's sixth position. That's right. We had seen that before. It is sixth position in descending order. I drag my formula and it says 2.5. That is what we discussed. That there's cases when we don't want to say it is 2 or it is 3. We want a average of those positions. So it says 2.5. So where 2.5 came from? 2.5 came from 2 and 3 because this 90 is 2, definitely we know that, but this 90 also became 2 because it was a duplicate, but in reality this is 3. So it says 2 plus 3 divided by 2 will give me 2.5. Now, if you want to see the explanation for what is descending, what is ascending, I've just explained you in the ranking rank formula, and I don't want to explain again because in case someone is watching the full video, then it would be very repetitive for that person to just listen to the same thing again and again. So I'm skipping that part. In case you want to understand what is ascending and what does descending mean, then you can watch my uh rank function, which is just previously discussed in the same video. I will give you a timestamp where the rank function is. Okay, now let's use the ascending average. So let's discuss first. So in ascending average it was 4 plus 5 because this position is fourth, and when it comes to this 90, this is actually fifth number. So it is 4 plus 5 divided by 2, which should give me 4.5. Now let's use ascending. In rank average, my number is this, my range is this, and for ascending I have to use 1 because if I don't enter 1, then it will consider it as descending. So I close brackets, hit enter. It says 4.5, and that's what we just discussed. That is, it is giving a decimal value to my range. It doesn't say 4, it doesn't say 5, it gives the middle value. That is the average of the positions. Okay, so now we are done with rank and rank average. What is left is rank EQ. Now let's start with rank EQ. So is there any difference between rank and rank EQ? Then the answer is no. There is absolutely no difference between rank and rank EQ. We will just see now when I use the rank EQ, you will get the same answer as the rank. Then why do we have rank EQ? The only reason we have rank EQ is that it is a newer function which will now use in worksheets. We have created the latest worksheets because as we used the rank function, we saw that there was a warning which said that it is only compatible with version 2007 and earlier. So we should stop using rank, and now they have a new function which is called rank EQ, and we should start using rank EQ, which is exactly the same as rank. It is just that it is a newer version of rank. Okay, so let's start. Rank EQ. Number, that my range, I will use dollars for my range. As it is descending order, I don't have to enter any order number, so I just close my bracket, hit enter, drag my formula, and you see you can compare this and you can compare this. It is exactly the same result. So rank EQ will give you the exactly same result as rank. The difference is rank EQ is a newer function for the newer versions of Excel, because rank function will be discontinued in future. Now let's do ascending. Rank EQ, my number, my range, using dollars so that my range doesn't change when I drag my formula, comma, ascending. For ascending, it is compulsory to use 1. So I say 1. Drag my formula and I get the same result as rank. You can compare rank ascending with rank EQ ascending. It gives you the exact same result. So I hope you are able to understand now what is rank AVG, what is rank EQ, what does ascending descending mean when it comes to ranking. I will just explain once more what does ascending descending mean. Descending means that the largest number in your range will be given the first position, and ascending means the smallest number in your range will be given the first position. So that is what ascending descending mean. And what happens, we have also seen the scenario what happens when we have duplicate numbers in our range, and how rank average will behave differently in such scenario, giving us decimal answers. So that's it for this video. I hope this through this video you are able to understand what is rank AVG, and rank EQ. If you have any questions, then you can let me know in the comment section. I'm happy to help you. And if you like this video, then please like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel, because subscribing my channel gives me growth and motivation. So please subscribe to my channel, because I can see a lot of people who are watching my video but are not actually subscribing me.